Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are discussing the mythical beast, the car that defined a generation of Japanese performance, and whose return has been the subject of endless speculation, the rumored 2026 LFA. The original LFA was legendary, not just for its limited production, but for its pure, naturally aspirated V10 soundtrack. The second generation, however, is poised to redefine the term supercar for the electric era. While Lexus remains tight-lipped, global speculation points towards an evolution into an all-electric or high-performance hybrid hypercar, built not just to be fast, but to be technically flawless. The design is expected to be breathtaking, evolving the sleek, aerodynamic contours of the original into a futuristic form, potentially featuring active aerodynamics and extensive carbon fiber construction to ensure its weight remains minimal despite the large battery pack. The likely powertrain is the most compelling aspect. Leveraging Toyota Lexus's rapid advancement in solid-state battery technology, the 2026 LFA could boast an electric setup offering extreme power output potentially exceeding 735 kilowatts, 1,000 horsepower, combined with instant torque and sub-3 second 0-200 acceleration figures. If Lexus opts for a hybrid setup, expect an entirely new twin-turbo V8 to maintain a visceral auditory experience, though electrification will undoubtedly be key to unlocking peak performance. Inside, the focus will be on lightweight performance and exclusivity. The cockpit will blend motorsport-inspired ergonomics with bespoke Japanese craftsmanship and minimalist digital interfaces, ensuring the driver remains connected to the machine. Crucially, the LFA's mission remains the same, to act as a technological flagship for Lexus. Demonstrating what the brand can achieve without constraints, the challenge for the 2026 LFA will be monumental, recapturing the soul and emotion of the original V10, which many consider the greatest engine note ever made. In a world dominated by silent electricity, if any manufacturer can successfully fuse engineering perfection with emotional resonance, it is Lexus. This car is poised to be an instant legend. Destined for extreme exclusivity and price tags well into the seven figures, don't forget to like and subscribe to DRX Automobi as we track the development of this automotive legend.